If you have ADHD, you know how hard it can be to sit still and stay focused. You start one task, and suddenly you're doing 5 others. That's where the Pomodoro technique can help. It's a simple but powerful time management method created by an Italian student who used a tomato-shaped kitchen timer. Pomodoro means tomato in Italian. Here's how it works. You set a timer for 25 minutes and focus on just one task. No checking your phone, no distractions. When the timer rings, you take a 5-minute break, get up, stretch, grab some water. That's 1 Pomodoro. After 4 Pomodoros, you take a longer break, about 15 to 30 minutes before starting again. Why does this help people with ADHD? Because it turns focus into a game of short sprints instead of a marathon. You don't have to sit for hours, just 25 minutes. The timer adds a sense of urgency and structure, and the frequent breaks help reset your brain before it burns out. Many people with ADHD find that shorter Pomodoros, maybe 15 or 20 minutes, work even better. The Pomodoro technique won't solve everything, but it can be a huge step toward improving your focus and confidence. If you'd like more tools for managing ADHD, stress, and daily life, contact DPS Health and Wellness today. And if you'd like a free self-care guide, just comment self-care below and we'll send it to you right away.
Hi, I'm Dr. David Samuels from DPS Health and Wellness. I hope you found this video helpful. If it resonated with you, please consider sharing it with someone you care about. A simple share could make a big difference in someone's life. And if you'd like to see more content like this, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us reach more people who need support. If you or someone you know is struggling with anxiety, depression, or any mental health concern, we're here to help. You can call us directly at 912-662-6501 or visit dpshealthandwellness.com to learn more about our teletherapy services. And before you go, click the video below to watch another helpful message about improving your mental health. Thanks for watching. Take good care of yourself.